Hey guys, so I'll be comparing the MO 26 Ultra with another 5G rugged phone, and it is called the Blackview BL9000 Pro. Now both rugged phones in my opinion are very nice, rugged phones. They are equipped with very interesting and impressive specifications and features. But I just want to compare the specs of both devices to see which of the two is actually equipped with the best specs, and of course to differentiate between both devices. So without wasting much of your time, let's compare the specs of the two 5G rugged phones. Perfect. So there we go guys, the MO 26 Ultra versus the Blackview BL9000 Pro. Which of the two 5G rugged devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.